Dito tayo sa park. And if you want to ask why, dahil kakain ako ng breakfast madalo. Bago ako pumunta sa Layloy. Kasi magugutom tayo doon. Pwede uminom. Of course. Bawal. Really nice. Walaan nyo, kinakain ko. Wala nito sa kahit ibang bansa. May dang lang. McDonald's. Lahat na makakain. Everyone can eat food. Anywhere in the world. Hindi pala ako sure kung lahat. Pero sa Asia meron. Oh, I want to say something. If you're afraid of being alone, please, huwag kang matakot. Being alone means you're independent, you're free, and you can do anything you want to do. Basta isipin mo lang kung ano gusto mong gawin. I'm very, very happy, enjoying my life. I feel sad my husband is overseas or umalis ang asawa ko dahil nagtrabaho siya, pero ayun na, nababalik siya. Hindi naman kami abutin ng kalahating taon na hindi nakikita. That's not possible. To be honest, I can do whatever I want to do. That makes me happy. Let me show you the park. Guys, update. Hindi ko naubos yung kinakain ko. The reason is my homeless na lumapit sa akin. And I showed naman sa video, sobrang laki ng park. But he sat really beside, almost beside me. Not exactly beside, but almost really beside me. And that scares me. He's just looking at me. And I think he's looking at the food I eat. Nothing learn. Next time, kakain na lang ako sa bahay bago ako umalis. Para diretso na ako dito sa Layloy. But anyway, what happened next is he's still looking at me, so I don't want to like wait 2 minutes to see what will happen. So I just asked him, Niyama, referring to my food, and he just nodded yes. He's not. So I didn't say anything else. I just lent him the food. Not lent. I just gave him my food and go away. My husband said, when you feel like you're in danger, don't wait for a few minutes. Just go away. That's what I did. I'm here na sa library. I'll show you later. Bye-bye. Na-mention ko nga kanina guys na bumili ako ng libro and na-unbox ko na. And medyo may mahal siya. 700. Yeah. 700 NTD, but I did a research. Sabi, makakatulong daw to. Kung saan man yung pupuntahan kong goal. And I love smelling new book. No? This book I can bring tomorrow. Saan ako pupunta. And what I'm going to do ay gagawan ko siya ng cover. This type ng cover, ito ay paper bag ng book mo siya. Pero yung sabi kong cover, natutunan ko to sa Japanese store, mga bookstore sa Japan, para daw may privacy ka kapag binabasa mo yung book. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung book na binabasa mo. Privacy. So, it's okay here too, kasi elite naman to, pero more on itong side na to yung gagamitin natin. Parang cover lang pag nagko-cover lang tayo. Pero hindi ko lalagyan ng tape. Tupi-tupik lang, kumbaga. Just a little update. Mamaya magdidelete pa ako ng video sa camera ko. Bibili nga ako ng ano. Tawag doon. Basta where you can store a lot of files. Yung TB yung tawag doon eh. 1 terabyte. Hard disk. Hard disk yata yun. Anyway, bye-bye! Anyway, that's my day. I just studied today and I cook food after. Umalis ako na bahay ng 10. Nakarating ako sa library ng 11 kasi diba duman pa ako sa McDonald's. 11 to 3:30, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4.5 hours ako sa library. And very honest kong sasabihin na mga 5 minutes lang ako nag-phone, yung resting time ko sa 4 hours doon. Isang straight talaga yun na natapos ko yung mga chapters. Then, after ko matapos yung chapters, magbasa ako ng konting sample ng research paper. And, nung mga anong oras ba? 12? 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 and a half. 3:30, yun na. Umalis na ako. Then, bumili nga ako nitong book. And, dumaan ako sa grocery. Nakauwi ako ng mga 5, past 5 na. Nagluto ako, nakakain ako ng 6:30. And now, dito tayo. No, okay. Anong oras na? Hinibad ko kasi yung ano. 7:30. Ben? 7:30. And, kapag pahinga na ako ng konti, naliligo, mag-ayos ng gamit, kasi bukas, tuwa. Ilang yung buhay ko dito, guys. Kukunin ko pa nga pala yung nilabahan ko. Naglaba nga pala ako kanina bago malis. Guys, ito na siya after kong mabalot. Nalagyan ko na siya ng tape. Pati yung tape ay nasa paper pack lang para hindi ma-defect yung mismong cover. Hindi ko ito ibibenta. Actually, lalagyan ko pa ito ng mga highlights. This will be mine. So, I got my name here. And mahilig ako sa stickers. I feel like these stickers really fit well here. And this para lang mabilis ko siyang mahanap. At saka para maging favorite ko siya. Cute kasi siya tingnan. And that's all. I can bring this anywhere without like people know what I'm reading. May privacy pa din. And huwag kayo mag-alala. Hindi to comics na makabastusan or what. It's really all the words. And that's all. Bye! Annyeong!